Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to get into Juvia's place. It's this new makeup line and I'm absolutely in love with them. And the other day they had like a great sale where they had like 40% off and free shipping. So I went a little crazy and I bought a bunch of stuff about foundations, concealers, the shade stick, blush, highlight, setting powder, like everything you can think of, brushes, all of that. So we're going to try them out today. And yeah, I know when I was looking to purchase, I had a lot of problems trying to find my color. And so I was like definitely looking on YouTube videos trying to find like someone who's trying out the product who looks similar to me. So I'm like, you know, maybe I should do one for the next person like me who's trying to find their color, and hopefully my video will be helpful. So here we go. So this is the I Am Magic foundation, and it comes in this little tube bottle, and on the back that's how you can tell what color it is. Now this one is Punta Cana for $25, and I also have Casablanca for $50. And it's great with them and their foundations is like the number, when the number gets like a higher number, it's technically kind of lighter, but not really, because they have like everyone, like they have the different kingdoms, like they have 10 kingdom, light kingdom, dark kingdom, deep dark kingdom, and in each kingdom they have different, like they have foundations for people who are a little bit lighter to darker. Also, like if you have a neutral undertone, olive undertone, warm undertone, cool undertone, like they have all of that. And they have like their little quiz on their website that you can take that helps you to kind of figure out what yours is. I know like though sometimes it's kind of difficult because even when you do those quizzes, it's like you get it and it's not really your color, which was like my issue, because I'm like, the girl that they're showing me, she doesn't really look like she's my complexion. She looks kind of lighter than me. She looks like it's just confusing. So it's great to have a video to show. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys first I'm going to show you Casablanca. Go ahead. So this is Casablanca. Okay, I'll even show you it on my face. So this is Casablanca, guys. And I have here right next to the Casablanca, this is Punta Cana. Okay, I'm gonna try it on the other side of my face. So Punta Cana, Casablanca. So obviously this one looks closer to my complexion. This one's a little too bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go with this one. Okay, so I got their brush, you guys. This is their foundation brush that they sell, and I think it's awesome and amazing, and I love this brush. So yeah, I'm gonna use this to apply. And you honestly don't need that much, because a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way, so you don't really need to put that much, though it does dry quickly. So once you do it, you kind of have to start putting it on once you take it out the bottle, because when it dries it's a little more difficult to move, but you don't need a lot. So I did this half of my face. It looks nice. Feels good. When you take it out, it kind of feels thick at first, but then once you like put it on, it feels really nice on my skin. Like it has this nice silkiness to it. So I'm really liking this. And I'm going to get some more because I let it dry too quickly. The rest of my face. So this is definitely full coverage. Like, it looks nice. It completely covers my face. It looks like it matches me perfectly, so that's great. It doesn't even feel oily because I did put oil underneath my face before I did this, but it doesn't even like feel oily or anything. It just feels good. It feels really nice. Ooh, I like. Yeah, this is definitely my color. I love this. Okay, so next we're gonna check out their concealer, Juvia's Place concealer, so you can get a look at it. Comes like this. And I'm just gonna put a little bit because you really don't need much of it to get what you're trying to do. So next, so to contour, I had gotten this. Well, originally I got this one. This is their color stick. So it's a container, and this is a color stick. The color is Guinea. I'd gotten it at first, and I kind of didn't like it because, first of all, it wasn't dark enough for the color that I wanted. Like, I thought it would be dark, but it's just slightly darker than me, which isn't really what I wanted. And it's kind of oily, which I already kind of have oily skin, so I was like, not really feeling this. So then after watching some videos, I was like, oh, you know, why don't I just get a darker concealer and use that? So we're gonna try that out and see how this works for people who have like oilier skin and aren't crazy about the color stick. This may be a better option, and this is 6. So also the concealer that I used was number 18. Sorry, I forgot to say that. This was 18, and this one is 6. So, which I was afraid when I got this that it may be too dark, but I was like, well, you know, I could always play around and make it lighter if need be. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so yeah, either I put on way too much or it was too dark. I think it's a little bit of both. I think because it's so dark, I didn't have to put that much. So I'm gonna have to fix that. It's Kalahari setting powder, and it's what it looks like. I don't want it to spill, so I'm gonna use this to help set my makeup, also to lighten me up a little bit. right, so next we are going to do this highlight. Okay, it's called Nefertiti. I believe Nefertiti. Yeah, Nefertiti. Okay. Gorge. I like this one very much. They had some other ones there, like they had Chloe, and I think there's a darker one. Chloe was like a champagne. So I didn't get that one because like silver don't really look that good on me. It makes me look washed out. So I was like, oh, this one's like really gold. It's pretty. I like it. So that's why I went with this one. Here, blush, Bella. I love this blush. Very, very pigmented. I just did one tap too many because I have this problem of putting on way too much and then having to go back and correct it because apparently I just like doing extra work when I do my makeup. Make weird movements with my mouth as well. I'm like, I can't control it. This is how it comes out good. Yes. Yes, hunty. Yes. 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 Okay, loving this right now. They got me completely together. Yes, they did. So I also got their liner because I was just on a crazy shopping spree and I wanted everything apparently. Okay, so it's my first time opening the beautiful Mistress. And it comes with black and it's like a brown color. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to start with the black. Oh, it also comes with this brush, which is nice. I'm gonna do black because I'm a black boo. Oh, so sorry I digged in it already, but yeah, that's how it looks. So it's been a while since I've done my liner, so I'm out of practice, so bear with me in this moment right now. Yeah, look at that. This is really nice because it glides on so easily. I didn't really need to do, because sometimes when I have like liner, you have to go over it over and over to get like that nice like rich color. But no, this was nice. It went on nice and easy. I didn't have to use a lot. But see, I'm not even going to dip back again. I'm gonna use the same amount that I used the first time and see if I can do the same process on the next eye. Yes, I did. It came out. Oh my gosh, yeah. This is nice. Really good buy. Really good buy. Wow. I really love their products. Like, I'm definitely sold on them. They're awesome. But yeah, hunty. You look cute. You did that. Yes. Okay, I'm happy. I'm pretty. I'm happy. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my review, and tune in to my next video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, because you know I'm trying to build my subscribers, so I appreciate a subscribe. You feel me though? Yes. All right, so hopefully I can keep this going, especially during the quarantine time, because you know ain't nobody got nothing to do now, so you know I got all the time in the world to film these videos. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so this was fun. All right, until next time, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, please subscribe.